Hi, Diana here. I hope that this message finds you in the very best of health and spirits. I have been postponing to sending this to you for a long, long time, several months, if not more than half a year. However, I cannot procrastinate anymore. I would like you to hear firsthand from me that I have decided to not actively work in the real estate business anymore. Many of you know that I had moved here to Houston because different health of conditions, the least of which was not the loss of my eyesight, and I'm very, very happy to report that it is almost perfect, and I'm still working on making it 2020 perfect and on the different other things as well. So as far as the real estate business is concerned, I would like you to know that because of my lifelong activity in the business, I have the best connections in America and in Europe. If you have any questions, if you need any professionals concerned with real estate transactions, please do not hesitate to call. If I don't happen to have the answer, I'm sure that I know somebody who will. I will put my new adventure, my new business in. I'm going to publish this on YouTube, and put my new contact information uh, and Facebook page below in the description box. My new business will be in the health and wellness business because besides working as a professional in the real estate business, I have had personal interest and lifelong studies in personal spiritual development, health, and well-being. And the new Facebook page is called Quantum Healing with Diana. I would love for many of you to stay in contact with me. And in the meantime, I wish you all the very best professionally and personally to you and your family. Be well.